Hello children, now first class mathematics. Take out your textbook children. Subtractions. So now in previous class 2 already we are learning this. So page number 70. Take out your page number 70 children. See here. Do, do, the, FOLLOWING, following, do the following, SUBTRACTIONS, 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 do the following subtractions. You learn children the spellings also. Do, the, FOLLOWING, following, SUBTRACTIONS, subtractions, do the following subtractions. So here 4. What is this children? 4 spelling FOUR, 4. The down 1 spelling ONE, 1. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1. So how much here 4 minus 1 means? So I am taking here 4 spiders. So total how many spiders having here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spiders. In these 4 spiders too, how many will subtract here? How many will subtracting? Which number given down? 1. So 1 only subtracted. So this one only subtracted. So remaining how many children? 1. Let us count 1, 2, 3. So remaining 3. So 4 minus 1 equals to 3. 3 spelling THRE, 3. Okay. So next one 5 minus 3. So up number is what children? 5. 5 spelling FIE, 5. Down one 3 THRE, 3. 5 minus 3. So observe children here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 having here. So in these two, how many will cut it? The down which number is there? 3. So 3 cut it. 1, 2, 3. So 3 will cutting. 1, 2, 3. So remaining how many? 1, 2. So remaining 2. So this like only children you do subtraction. I am taking some pictures. You are taking some marbles. Whatever you are want to read, you have that things to you do subtractions. Okay. So next one 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. Here up number is what children? 3. Up number is what? 3. 3 spelling THRE, 3. The down one 2 TWO, 2. THRE 3 minus TWO 2. 3 minus 2. So here 3 cockroaches are there. So observe here in this picture too. 3 cockroaches are there. 1, 2, 3. So in this 3 number 2, how many will cut it? 2 cut it. So I will cut 2 cockroach. So remaining, how many cockroaches are there? 1. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Next one 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. So 2 spelling TWO, 2. So here two dragonflies are there. Yes. So in these two dragonflies too, anything, nothing will subtracting here. So any one also not doing subtracting. Any one also not removing. So here how many dragonflies are there? 1, 2 only. 2. Understood, children? 4 minus 1, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. So next one, 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. 7 spelling, children? S-E-V-E-N, 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. 2 spelling, T-W-O, 2. See here, 7 bugs having here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total how many bugs having here? 7. So in this 7 2, the down which number is there? 2. So 2 subtract it. 1, 2. So remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining 5 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining 5. F-I-V-E, 5. 5 spelling F-I-V-E, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. So next number 8. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. So 8 spelling E-I-G-H-T, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. See here, how many flies are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us count with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 flies having. In this 8 to 4 will subtract it. 4 subtract it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 subtracting means how many remaining? Remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will remaining. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 spelling F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Understand, children? Next one, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. 6 spelling S-I-X, 6. So I am taking insects only, children. Insects too. I will explain in these pictures too. So here how many insects? This one flies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this 6 to down, listen, children. First of all, up one how many having, that many you count it. Down which number given, that many you cut it. So remaining whatever number, whatever picture remaining, you count it. That number only you write. Okay. So let us start. 6 minus 5. So here how many pictures having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this 6 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will subtract it. So remaining 1. 1 is remaining. 6 minus 5 equals to 1. Here 5 minus 5. 5 spelling F-I-V-E, 5. F5 is 5. 5 minus 5. So 1, cut it, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total will be cutting. Remaining, nothing is there. Any picture is not there remaining. So here 5 minus 5 equals nothing means 0. 5 minus 5, 0. So next one, 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. So here children, I am taking here out place. 1, 2, 3. Count with me children. Counting also very important. So let us count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this 9 pictures 2, 6 will subtract it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 6 will be subtracted. So remaining how many? 1, 2, 3. So remaining 3. 9 minus 6 equals to 3. 9 minus 6 equals to 3. 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 0. 8 only having. So in these numbers too nothing will subtracted. Nothing will subtracting. 0 means nothing. So nothing will subtracting means remaining how many? This many only. Anything is not removing here too. So how many having there? This number. This total only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 0, 8. Next one, 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6. So here we are taking 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this place too, we are cutting 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total will cutting only. So total will remove. So remaining, nothing is remaining. So nothing means here 0. 6 minus 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 8 minus 0, 8. So any number you are taking, 0 will subtraction means, 0 will doing subtraction means that number only came. So any number to that number to only subtraction will doing means 0 will came. Next one, 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2, in this 4 spider 2, 2 will cut it, 1, 2. So remaining how many? 1, 2. So all of you understand children? Just like we are doing the subtraction. So practice it children. Okay. You are also taking another numbers and do subtraction this way only. Okay children, practice well. Learn this. Okay children.